what's up, everyone? Today, I'll teach you how to install Delta on iOS. First of all, you will search this whatever I'm searching up. Then you will find the certificate and need to install any KSI in here. That will work. She just need to blur that thing. And now you will find the VPN thingy here to trust the KSign and the Delta app too. And now, once installed the KSign, we will go on it and download the Delta IPA for iOS and follow what I'm doing. I'm just experimenting here. Lol, you can follow it. It'll just speed it up. And now, all done. That's all guys. If you have any question, please add me on my Discord that I'll put on description.